Ninth problem. In triangle ABC, the midpoint of BC is D. Median AD is drawn. P is any point on AD. Show that area of triangle ABP and area of triangle ACP. So we need to show these two triangles are equal. So let's start the solution. In this we can see, before we start the solution, first understand this thing. Suppose we are having two triangles. Okay, I just drawn this one for reference. Okay, so let me divide this into two equal parts. Suppose this is the midpoint from where this line is going to up. Okay, so that means if I write A, B, C, so AB and BC are equal, and the height for these two triangles are equal. The bases are equal, and the height is also equal for both of the triangles. So if bases and heights are equal for the two triangles, then they are equal. Now we can start the solution. Let us start the solution here. In this triangle, if you see D is the midpoint of BC, that is given. So let us write down, given D is the midpoint of BC. If this is a midpoint, then BD and DC are equal. So BD is equals to DC. If we draw a line from midpoint to up to A, then AD is the median. So let us write down, AD is a median, and P, here we can take P as any value, and P is any point on AD. Okay, we will join this P to B and P to C. Join PB and PC. Now let us take two triangles, triangle PBD and triangle PCD. So if we see these two triangles PBD and PCD, they are having the same base. Okay, so they have, what they are having, the base is same. Why? Because BD is equals to DC, and they are having same height. Okay, suppose if I draw a line like this, okay, it's exactly parallel to BC, then the height will be same for both of these triangles. Same height from P to line BC. So that means these two triangles will be equal. So triangle PBD will be equal to area of triangle PCD. So this will be our first equation. Now let us consider triangle ABD and triangle ACD. So in these two triangles, again, now we are from A, we are including from A to this base BC. Okay, so if we see that they are all also having the same height, and the bases are also equal. So they have BD is equals to DC and same height. Height you already know from A to BC. Okay. So if they are having the same base and same height, we can say that they are equal. So therefore, area of triangle ABD is equals to area of triangle ACD. This will be our second equation. Now let us subtract first equation from second. We will get area of triangle ABD minus area of triangle BBD is equals to area of triangle ACD minus area of triangle PCD. Area of triangle PCD. So here for this, if we subtract, we will get area of triangle ABP. What we have subtracted from ABD, we have subtracted this PBD. So we got ABP or APB, you can say. Now, if we subtract this PCD from this ACD, we will get area of triangle ACB. So this is the thing which we have to prove. Hence, proved.